Hi, today we're going to learn how to quickly sum up a column or a row in Excel. I will tell you that this one little thing saved me so much time because it's so simple, but I actually would calculate on a separate calculator sometimes because I didn't know how to do this. So I'm going to show you today. First of all, you can see that I've created a fictitious monthly bill list. Now, this could be you have an upcoming vacation and you want to calculate all your needs for your vacation, or your Christmas list of who you want to buy for and how much you'll spend. It could be any kind of list you want to calculate and you want to know what it totals. This is just a monthly bill list. I have two columns here that include currency. And what I'm going to do first is I'd like to get them all formatted the same. It's not necessary for calculating, but it does look better when you are calculating. I'm going to left click the first number, and then I'm going to drag the mouse over both columns and down for all the numbers that I want to format, including the row below that number, because that's where I want the sum to eventually go. What I'm going to do now is right click on my mouse until I see a drop down menu, and towards the bottom of that menu is an option for formatting cells. I'm going to left click on that, and there are all the options for how I can format my numbers, which is everything from a date, a time, or percentage. But I'm going to choose currency right here, and then I'm going to make sure it has 2 decimals at the end of it, and then I'm going to hit OK. And now you can see everything looks organized. Now I'm going to keep this highlighted, but if I didn't have it highlighted, I would then do it again. Highlight from the first number I want to include to the last number I want to include, plus a space for the total. In this case, I'm going to highlight both columns and get the totals, but you could do 1 column at a time, or you can do 2 or 3 or 4 columns. I'm going to go into my Home tab, and I'm going to go all the way to the right where it shows Auto Sum with this icon right here. And I'm going to left click. And once I do, if you look over here, there's now a total for each column separately. It's so easy and so quick. That's all you have to do. Now, if you also want to do it from a row, I just put a few numbers here so you can see it. You left click on the first number you want to include. You hold down the left button on the mouse and you drag it to the last number you want to include. And then you want to include 1 more cell for the total, or 2 more cells. Wherever you want that number to be is where you will end. So then you're going to go up to your home button and you're going to hit Auto Sum. And when you see the pound sign instead of numbers, that means that cell is too small to hold the amount of numbers or letters that are there, characters. What you could do with 2 options is that you could actually drag it till the numbers show up, or what I like is to just double click the right side of that column and it just shows up. So I hope this helps, makes it easy for you to calculate all your numbers. There's so many formulas, so many things to learn in Excel. Hopefully we'll get to cover a lot of things for you. But in the meantime, go out and start making some lists and calculating them. And if this helped, or if you have any more questions, just comment down below. If you're interested in more tips and resources and shortcuts for entrepreneurs, then please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so that you get notified of all the new videos. I'm Fran Asaro, and I'm the founder of Thrive Anyway, where I help entrepreneurs thrive in life and business. Thank you, and go out and have a fantastic day.